Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nordson Problue Flex Melter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are one of two reasons that you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with network connection, with the recipes not working right, with the settings not being correct, we'll actually be able to select these different items. We don't have to do a factory reset of everything. We can actually factory reset these individual things. We'll have an option to do that as we go through this. But it's really quite simple if we want to do this. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're buying and used one of these or selling it or something like that, or just for whatever reason where you just want to wipe everything and just get a fresh start on it. That's the other reason you might want to do this. So it's really easy. We can do that straight from this menu here. So we're going to hit the home button over here. And then from the home button, we're going to select Tools. And then from Tools, we're going to select a Reset. And we're going to be able to select the different things that we want to reset. And then we're going to select Reset to Factory Default. And each time we're going to hit this check mark in the middle here to just select whatever we're selecting. And then once we do that reset to the factory defaults, then it's going to go ahead and restore whatever we selected that we wanted resetting is going to be reset to the way it was when this item was delivered.